All right, we're back here and we're just going to import the sprite we just made. So wherever we saved it, we're just going to go to our media file here and hit plus, and then we should have saved it somewhere in my artwork folder. So I find my artwork folder, and it was called Sprite Explode something or other. So let me see if I can find Sprite Explode. There we go. So I'm just going to import them all at the same time. Control, Control, Control. And I just bring them in. And I hit open, and as you can see at the bottom of our media file then, what happened was I get 3 explosions. All right, so I'm just going to create a new actor here, and we've got big explosion and small explosion, so maybe I'll go terrible explosion, I don't know. Create a new actor, I'll call it sad explosion. Okay. Now on sad explosion, like anything else, it can have code. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add some sort of sound to it. So we're just going to go over here and we're going to play sound. Down and hit it. And then we can just pick one of our sounds. We're going to call it boom. So that's just the first thing that's going to happen. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to call animate it. Okay. And on animate, we'll look at the frames per second here in a minute, but we'll go ahead and just pull in the explosion. Okay, so we go to the media files, and the 3 ones in order: sprite explosion, sprite explosion, sprite explosion. And who knows, maybe I should have made another one, but you get the basic concept of what we're looking for here. And then we're going to have to destroy it after a certain amount of time. So we're going to just put it on a timer, and we're going to say after, and we'll do it pretty quick like theirs. Let's say 0.4 seconds, and we're just going to type in destroy. And then we'll put this in the code somewhere, and we'll see what it looks like. So back on actors, this time we'll say that if, and since we've got this in here, we're going to say if the missile collides with this, we're going to spawn actor sad explosion instead. And let's try to run this and see what happens now. So once we get GameSalad to load, hopefully when the missiles come out and start hitting me, we'll see. Oh, I get a little white something in there too. Oh, there they go. Like every other one. I'm going to have to check that out. But there you see my sad explosion going on there instead of the other one. Okay. Back to editor. Okay. So down to sad explosion, I'd have to look and see what I'm doing here perhaps. Could be the fact that it kind of looks like I've got an extra one here, but I really don't. Oh, restore actor image when done. Don't want to do that. I just take that off, and now we should be all right. And it should just go ahead and play that small explosion. So as you can see, not that bad to put an animation in. Thanks.